Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious leche flan without vanilla extract. This easy guide will help you create a classic Filipino dessert using just a few simple ingredients. You'll need about 10 egg yolks, 1 can of condensed milk, 1 can of evaporated milk, and half a cup of granulated sugar. We'll start by preparing our mold and then move on to mixing our rich, creamy flan base. First, let's create that beautiful, golden caramel base. Place about 1/4 cup of granulated sugar directly into your anura or heat-proof mold. Cook it over very low heat, allowing the sugar to slowly melt and turn into a rich amber color. Gently swirl the pan to ensure the entire bottom surface is evenly coated. This step is crucial for the flan's presentation and adds a lovely sweetness. Now, let's prepare the creamy flan mixture. In a bowl, gently whisk about 10 egg yolks. Avoid creating too many bubbles. Slowly pour in 1 can of condensed milk and 1 can of evaporated milk, mixing until just combined. For an incredibly smooth and silky texture, strain this mixture through a fine mesh sieve at least 2 or even 3 times. This removes any lumps or chalazi. With your caramel and flan mixture ready, it's time to steam. Carefully place your anura into a steamer over simmering water. Cover and steam for approximately 45 to 60 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Once cooked, let it cool completely, then chill in the refrigerator for at least 4 hours before inverting onto a serving plate. Enjoy your homemade leche flan.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.